Okay, good morning students. Welcome to SLC class. Yesterday, what did we learn? Some definition, sample space, probability, random experiment, equally likely. Okay, these are definitions are completed. Today, the main definition. What is the main formula? Probability of an event. What is the formula of probability of an event? Direct simple formula, probability of an event. Probability of any event is nothing but anyone, head, tail, or something, anyone, fruits, balls, or anything. Event is nothing but number of elementary events. Formula, number of elementary events favorable, number of elementary events favorable to the event, by only favorable events only. Here total number of elementary events, in the sample space, number of elementary events in the sample space. Okay, so now this is the formula, favorable cases by total cases in sample space. This is the formula. So first today I will discuss some introduction. Okay, for example, tossing a coin. One coin. Tossing a one coin means the toss have the two faces. Any toss, if toss have the two faces. What are they? The first face, head, tail. This is the toss has head and tail. Only two. Okay, tossing a coin one time. This is one time. And one coin is nothing but one time. Two coin is nothing but one coin. For example, head to tail. So, for example, what is the sample space? What is the experiment? Tossing a coin. What is the experiment? Tossing a coin. In a tossing a coin, what is the sample space? What is the definition of sample space? Set of all events. So, tossing a coin, what will get? What will come? What will get? Head or tail? And head to tail. This is the sample space. So, N of S. Probability means P of probability. This is N of S means number of elements or number of events, members, letters. Okay, all are. N of S is nothing but number of events in the sample space. How many? Two events. A coin is tossed, what will come, head or tail? Both. Okay, this is. So, first of all, probability of getting head. probability of getting head probability. How many heads are there? How many heads? Head is equal to number of heads. Number of heads is equal to how many? 1. Number of heads is equal to only 1. So probability of getting head. P of h means probability of getting head. Okay, probability of head is equal to number of heads by number of sample space. Total, this is formula. Total number of elementary events. Total, how many? Total is only heads. This numerator is only head because of asking the probability of heads. Probability of heads means the numerator is only about the head, denominator is total head tile or total sample space. Sample space in nothing but total events. Okay, n of s is equal to 1, n of s is equal to 2, 1 by 2. Okay, next probability of tile. Probability of tile is equal to number of tile by total number of events, n of s. N of s is fixed. Every problem has denominator n of s. S is same, but the problem, the s is n of s is depending on the given problem. One head tossing a coin means h comma t. Tossing a roll a die 6. So different n of s by the depending on the given problem. Number of tiles. How many tiles are there in the sample space? Only one tile. By n of s is equal to 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is head tile, both are equally likely events. Same, equally likely event, because the chances of equal chances are the probability is equal to equal probability are equal chances. Equal probability or equal chances. This is head and tiles are equally likely events. So total probability is equal to 1. No, one experiment, one problem. Okay, problem has only one experiment, any experiment. Tossing a coin 2 times, 3 times, 10 times. This is the one experiment. The total probability is equal to 1. Here heads, tiles, 2 are there. Adding 2. So probability of h plus probability of tile is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So compulsory the total probability is equal to 1. Each event probability 0 less than or equal to less than or equal to 1, below 0 to 1. Each probability is always 0 to 1, including 0 1 also. Okay, 0 and in between, 0 1 and in between, only fractions. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3. This is so 0 to 1 means there is no negative value. Below 0 means negative. The probability don't have any negative values. Probability don't have any above 1.1, 1.2. This is 1.1 probability. 1.1 means this is does not exist. Wrong. Problem is wrong. So every probability is always 0 to 1. 0 1 also less than or equal to. Negatives should not become negatives. Should not come. So next above 1, below 0, above 1, negative values, above 1 values does not exist. Every event is below 1. So total probability, the problem is toss a one coin. The two probabilities are equal to exactly equal to 1. No. Okay, next. Okay, clear? Probability equally likely events. Okay, next one. Two coins are tossed. Oh, one coin, okay, no problem. So next, rolling a die. Rolling a die. Rolling a die. So rolling a die means one die has how many faces? 6 faces. What are they? How many faces? 6 faces. What are they? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So the sample space. The sample space S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of S is equal to N of S is equal to 6. So number of sample space 6. So probability of getting one. Probability of getting one. Probability of getting one. How many ones are there in the sample space? You see sample space. In the sample spaces, there is no repeated element. For example, 6 2 times will repeat. So you can write only one time. So all elements are different element. There is no repeated elements in the sample space. So probability of getting one. For example, rolled. Coin means tossed. Coin tossed. Die rolled. Die rolled. So rolled means so how many for once upon a time one will come, 2 will come, 2 can come, 3 can come. Okay, any number will come. So probability of getting one. Probability of only one. Probability of getting one. How many ones are there in the sample space? 1 by total sample space 6. 1 by 6. So probability of 2 getting 2. Probability of getting 2 is also how many 2's? Only 1. 1 by totally 6. So probability of getting 3. This is also 1 by 6. Probability of getting 4 equal to 1 by 6. Probability of getting 5 is also 1 by 6. Probability of getting 6 1 by 6. So each probability 1 by 6 is nearly 0 point something. So each probability is less than 1. So total probability 1 by 6, 1 by 6. How many 1 by 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. How many? 4, 5, 6. 1 by 6. LCM 6 by 6 by 6 1. No compulsory. Any experiment, any problem, the total probability must be equal to 1. No. Okay. This is the rolled a die. Next, second one. Tossing a coin. Toss a coin 2 times. Tossing a coin 2 times. One coin tossed 2 times. 2 coins are tossed 1 time. Both are same. One coin tossed 2 times. Or 2 coins tossed 1 time. For example, take 2 coins. First time, for example, take 2 coins. First time, for example. First compulsory 2 coins means 2 faces. Any faces, head, tail or anything, 2 faces. Different. For example, first toss 2 heads. First toss, first 2 coins also head. Next time also head. Third time also both are heads. But 3 times 2 heads means consider only 1 time. 2 heads, head in the set sample space. How many times will come? Both coins are head. So you will consider only 1 time. So different. So H is 10 times, but no use, because 10 times HS is equal to, we can write the only 1 time. So H, so TT, Next HT, TH. This is 4 sample spaces. Both are heads, both are tiles. First one head, second one tile. First one tile, second one head. This is different. HT, TH different, TT different. So N of S is equal to what? 4. So probability of 2 heads. Probability of 2 heads. Probability of 2 heads. Probability of 2 heads. How many 2 heads are there here? Probability of 2 heads. How many 2 heads? This is 2 heads, only 1. 1 by 4. Probability of 2 tiles. Probability of 2 tiles is equal to 2 tiles only 1. 1 by 4. Probability of 1 tile. Probability of 1 tile. 1 tile, this is 2 tiles. This is 0 head, 0 tiles. Both are heads means 0 tiles. This is 2 tiles. Only ask only 1 tile. 1 tile how many? 2. 2 by 4. Probability of 1 head. Probability of 1 head. So 1 head also only 1 head. 2 by 4. This is the 1 coin, 1 die, 2 coins. Next one, 2 dice. 2 dice are rolled. Next, 2 dice are rolled. Two dice are rolled. So 2 dice are rolled. 2 dice are rolled. What are they? 2 dice. Each die have how many numbers, how many faces? 6 faces. What are they? 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the sample space? How many? 1 coin means how many sample space? How to directly without writing? Without writing, 1 coin is tossed. How many sample spaces? How to decide? This is 1 coin has 2 faces. 2 power how many times? 1 time. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. So here how many? 1 die. 1 die. The 1 die. How many faces? 6 faces. 1 die has how many faces? 6 faces. 6 faces how many times rolled? 1 time. 6 power 1 is equal to 6. So here 2 coins. Each coin have how many faces? 2 faces. 2 faces how many times? 2 times. How many? 1 die 2 times or 2 dice are 1 time. 2 square is equal to 4. So here how many sample space are there here? N of S. How many sample spaces? Die. Die means how many faces? Die has how many faces? 6 faces. Die has 6 faces. The die how many times will roll? 2 times. 6 square is equal to how many? 36 sample space are there. 36 sample spaces. What are they? 36. For example, 2 dice. Left hand 1 die, right hand 1 die. Rolled. For example, first die 1, second die also 1. First beginning with 1. Next beginning with 2, beginning with 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 1. Next 1, 2. Next 1, 3. Next 1, 4. Next 1, 5. Next 1, 6. 1, 5, 1, 6. Next another starting with 2. 2, 1. 2, 2. 2, 3. 2, 4. 2, 5. 2, 6. Next 3, 1. 3, 2. 3, 3. 3, 4. 3, 5. 3, 6. Next 4. 4, 1. 4, 2. 4, 3. 4, 4. 4, 5. 4, 6. Next 5, 1. 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Next 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Anyone does not repeated. Anyone does not repeated. So 1 1 one time only, 1 2 one time. So many questions are there. So many questions are there. Which type question? N of x is equal to 36. Probability of probability of the sum of the two faces. The sum of the two faces is 2. Probability of sum of two faces equal to 2. How many? So 1 plus 1, 2. Sum, S-U-M, sum of two faces is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 2, 1 plus 4, 5. There is no one, only single one. So 1 by 36. Probability of sum 3, and adding the two faces equal to 3. Probability of sum 3. So this is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Only 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 equal to 2 by 36. Probability of sum 4. Probability of sum 4 only 2 plus 2 and 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 1. How many? 1 comma 3, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 1. How many? 3 by 36 and so on. The sum, we have homework. Probability of sum 5. Probability of the least sum is 2. The least sum. Sum of two events, least one is 2, highest one is 12. 6 comma 6. Highest one is 12. So first 3 okay. Next to sum of 5, sum of 6, sum of 7, sum of 8, sum of 9, sum of 10, sum of 11, sum of 12 up to 5 to 12. Homework. Okay, you can try. Next, probability of both are even. Probability of both numbers are even. Both numbers even. For example, 1 comma 1 both are odd. 1 comma 2, 1 is even, 2 is odd. 1, the first one is not both. Both are even means you go 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6. Next 3 waste. 4 comma 2, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 6. 5 is even number, odd number. So 6 comma 2, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both are 9 by 36. So probability of both odd. Both odd means 1 comma 1. Okay. Next 1 comma 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Both odd 3. This is even number. Both odd means go. How many? 1 1, 1 3, 1 5, 3. Next 3 1 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 36. Okay, so many problems are there, so many questions. So today what did we learn? The coin, toss a single coin, toss a double coin, roll a single die, roll a double die. Tomorrow playing cards. You know playing cards? Playing cards, total card, how many cards, total cards, how many cards, how many picture cards, how many face cards, how many black cards, how many red cards. This is total information about. Tomorrow I will discuss the totally playing cards, and after that starting the exercise. Okay, clear?